Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk. Today we're talking about Samsung's upcoming mid-range phone, the Galaxy A37, which has now been confirmed through Samsung's official test firmware. Yes, the phone is real and development is already underway. Samsung launched the A36 in March, and as we near its one-year cycle, Samsung has started preparing the A37. The firmware for model number SM-A376U, the US variant, has appeared on Samsung's test servers. What makes this exciting is that Samsung is already testing builds for major US carriers like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. This strongly suggests that the A37 will launch widely in the US, possibly without the long delay that the A36 faced. Now let's talk about expected specs. The Galaxy A37 is rumored to come with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and around 1900 nits peak brightness, making it bright, sharp, and great for outdoor use. For performance, Samsung is likely to use the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset with RAM options of 6GB, 8GB, or even 12GB, along with 128GB or 256GB storage. This combination should give smooth performance for apps, multitasking, and gaming. In the camera department, the A37 is expected to stick to a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main lens with OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. On the front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera is expected. While the hardware looks similar to the A36, improved software processing and the new chipset should offer better low-light shots, more stable videos, and cleaner overall photos. Battery remains the same at 5,000 mAh with 45-watt fast charging support, but Samsung still won't include a charger in the box, only a cable. On the software side, the Galaxy A37 is expected to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. along with Samsung's impressive promise of 6 years of major Android updates and 6 years of security patches. Connectivity might also improve as Bluetooth 6.1 is being tested for upcoming Samsung devices. The expected global launch timeline is around March 2026, and this time, the US release may happen much sooner than before. That's all for today's quick update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to Wajid Tech Talk for more upcoming leaks and tech news. Thanks for watching.